The stormy season is upon us. Protect your home like your neighbor. Look what Joe did for your neighbor. Designed, cut, and installed his gutters all the same day at a great rate. Joe lives in the community and works hard to build a better community. So let Joe protect your home from the stormy season ahead. Joe lives in the community and works hard to build a better community. So let Joe protect your home from the stormy season ahead with gutters. Ladies and gentlemen, Joe is working hard in the community because he lives in the community. Good gutter service, installation and repairs. And I live in this community as well. And I just helped this guy haul off these 3 trees he trimmed off. And there was piles of trees on this side and that side. And I said, we're neighbors, I gotta help the neighbors. I told him we did gutters, which we live right down the street. And he said, come on by. And there's Joe, working hard for the community. Seamless gutters, cut on the spot, installed in your style and color, same day. 95% of the time, I would say. I know sometimes those 2-story houses and those big, they may require 2 days. But theoretically, you can get it done in 1 day. If you're the only one scheduled, then we get started early. Either that, otherwise, you definitely be done first day. Seamless gutters. This is good gutter service. This is good gutter service. Your community gutter installers. build. We help build the community. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Good Gutter Service. Here in the community, we help build the community. And the guy, I think he overreacted in cutting his tree. Because those limbs still fall over. And I don't know, maybe, I know why he's cutting trees. He wants some sunlight for growing his garden. I get it now. I get it now. Cause I was like, why would he cut his trees and be directly in the sunlight? He just showed me his